Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. As the anticipation grows for the release of incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel's upcoming album titled Exiled Pharaoh, he has given fans a treat with the release of the first single from the album titled Desoide. The album is the follow-up to Kartel's 2016 King of the Dancehall, which was critically acclaimed. Meanwhile, the entertainer is also awaiting the verdict in his appeal trial, which was wrapped in the Court of Appeal in July. The case deliberation is expected to go into the new year, as the judge reportedly has over 6,000 pages of evidence to go through. Dancehall artist Jamil tackles worldwide social issues on his new single titled We Feel the Pain. On the track, the great man lashes out at the constant injustice faced by people in the lower economic class. The single also speaks on the struggles many face throughout the world, with Jamil appealing for people to regain their power. Jamil was recently in New York City, where he performed at MVP Live along with dancehall artists Movado and Alkaline. Now to news overseas, where American singer and songwriter Ariana Grande has broken 100 million Spotify streams with her newly released single Thank You Next. The figure was accumulated just 11 days following the release on November 3. This marks the quickest time that figure has been achieved. It was also reported that Grande's new single is the most streamed female artist in a 24-hour period. According to YouTube, the video was viewed so many times simultaneously that it briefly broke the video comment section as users experienced delays while posting their instant reactions. Grande's breakup anthem debuted at #1 on the Billboard chart, her first chart-topping single. The single is still at #1, the #1 trending on YouTube. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.